Yummy, yummy, yummy. Some of these good looking bran muffins have almonds in there and some don't. Now, these bran muffins are made from scratch. And I am going to give you the ingredients. I have showed you, well, I gave you the ingredients, but I'm going to give you the measurements, okay? So what you're going to use is you're going to use 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 1/3. Let me see. What did I use? Let's scratch that. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Duh. So we're going to use 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 1/2 cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and please make sure it's room temperature. Let's see how much brown sugar, 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Let's see what else did I use. I'm trying to remember. If I miss something, I'll go back. But yeah, so basically, oh, and you see the wheat bran that I bought. You see that package? That. Now the last time I made it, which was yesterday, I used the cereal, the Raisin Bran cereal, but no, I wanted the real bran. You understand? Because of course, you know, raisin cereal or cereals, they're very high in carbohydrates. So I didn't want to do that this time. So yeah. So I used that, you know, I mixed the buttermilk and the bran, let it sit for, you can sit it for 10 minutes so it can soften up a bit, or a little more than 10 minutes. You know, it's up to you, half an hour if you feel like it. But this makes about a dozen corn muffins, as you see. So you let that sit. In the meantime, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So you put your vegetable oil, your 1 egg, your vanilla, and your brown sugar. You stir it up. Then you mix your bran in there. Okay, and what I did, I added a little bit of vanilla into the bran. So, and then you mix all that up. You add your flour, you add your baking powder, baking soda, and your salt. You mix that up. Don't stir it up hard. Slightly, you know, so that everything can be covered. Then you pour it in your muffins and put it in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. I said 20 minutes. And voila, boom, there it is. Yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, let me let you in on a little secret. I put some raw honey in the mixture. So you can add some raw honey. Oh, and also I added some almonds in some of them, as you see, not all of them. So I'll let you know how it tastes. Let's see. Look at that. Ooh, wee. Let's see. This is the real deal. Look at that, guys. That is a bran muffin. Okay? So, I won't be going to the store buying any bran muffins anymore. No sorry, buddy. Ooh, that's so good. Have a good day, everybody. I need some almond milk.